I get really excited around this time, and I know that I have a really big problem with peaking.
No peeking.
I mean, I just want to peak. Is that so wrong?
No peeking.
I mean, I know you're not supposed to peak. I just can't help myself.
No peeking.
Mo's been really helping me out, though.
No peeking. No peeking.
Yeah,
He has.
he has. Mo, I got it. No peeking. No peeking.
No more peeking at your meat. BBQ Guru gives your grill oven-like temperature precision and notifies you when your food is perfectly cooked. Find out how at bbqguru.com.
This saved my barbecue. And, of course, you.
How can we ever repay you?
I'd like to have some of that barbecue you got going on out there.